This is our beautiful Weathertex cladding. We're now installing one of our last pieces of the cladding of the house. This is going on the floor panel at the very bottom of the house itself, on the north facade, and we're almost finished with the cladding, so going right on track.
So here we are plumbing up the hot water unit for the Desert Rose. We're doing a bit of glamorous plumbing at the moment. We're doing some copper work. So we're about to heat up this copper pipe down here with the oxyacetylene torch and expand it so we can fit another bit of pipe in there, and then we'll solder around it to seal it up and make it watertight.
As a part of the competition, we have to monitor different parts of the house. That includes the lighting, the temperature, and also some of the appliances need to be measured for temperature. And so at the moment I'm just colour coordinating these cables so I can run them underneath the house and connect them to different areas of the house so we can monitor them later in the competition.
We are